Hello and welcome to another video of Wisefuss, and I'm all about diving into the exciting world of AI technologies. The recent buzz is about the alpha release of Midjourney version 6, shaking things up as the latest edition. While it's not the default style yet, you can access it by selecting it in Setting or simply adding V6 to your prompt. Before we dive into the latest developments, let's take a moment to appreciate how far Midjourney has evolved since its inception. I have explored the historical journey of Midjourney's versions, experimenting with prompts across iterations. It's astonishing to witness the progress in less than 2 years, sparking curiosity about the future possibilities. The first version, launched in February 2022, feels like a distant memory now. From version 2 to the current version 5.2, each release brought significant enhancements. Version 3, which captured my heart, debuted in July 2022, marking my initial encounter with Midjourney's magic. The results felt like witnessing a form of enchantment, sparking endless possibilities for creativity. Version upgrades like from 3 to 4 or 5 to 5.2 presented noticeable shifts in styles and abilities. Version 5 notably improved realism, albeit occasionally generating nonsensical text. Now, with version 6 on the horizon, still in its alpha stage, there's an air of excitement. While I haven't thoroughly tested it yet, the initial expression and impression looks promising. I'm planning a detailed video dedicated solely to exploring version 6 and its features. In my journey through Midjourney, I have encountered various legacy models and focused on generating content that historically challenged AI systems. Landscapes, portraits, human hands, mermaids, dogs, bicycles, and more, each presenting its own unique challenges and evolutionary milestones across Midjourney's versions. Some areas, like landscapes, have showcased an evident evolution, while others, such as generating human hands or depicting centaurs, continue to pose challenge. However, with each version update, there's a palpable sense of improvement and innovation. From intricate lace patterns to futuristic cityscapes, the journey through Midjourney's iterations highlights the progress made in generating diverse content. Even as version 6 enters the scene, I'm excited to witness the ongoing evolution and future enhancements. Join me in exploring the limitless possibilities of AI creativity by subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts on this progression, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching, and let's keep prompting for more discoveries ahead.